Hey, here I am with a 12 by 12 layout again, and same paper pads I've been using, Pebbles. um, you'd think I'd have that ready by now. Sorry for the glare. Anyway, Pebbles, and then the two paper pads, Bloom and Faith. So with that being said, we're gonna hop right on in. This is kind of the layout I was shooting for. So let me give you a close-up of the picture. I did go ahead and cover this with a block from the Maggie Holmes book. One of these blocks here. Ooh, sorry guys. Whoa. Okay. Just a doily from Speak Mom Scraps, I believe, actually. Anyway, so the picture is from a dear friend of mine. Considered her to be a mom, and she passed away a few years ago, and 2 years actually. Just recently, we just came past her 2-year mark, and she would send cards, Happy Meal, to uplift you. Sunshine Mail, I think is what they called it. It was something that their church did, and that was one of the times. It always came at the right time, when you needed it, when you needed to hear just something good, something uplifting, something to remind you, you know, the world wasn't out to get you. And I had taken a picture of it because I had gotten a card in the mail that day and posted it on Facebook because it's what you do, and it came up on my time hop, and that's what this is covering up. I did not cover up the time hop, but and so I wanted to print it out just as a memory for me to always remember that, you know. Time goes by and you often forget things that used to happen. Just little odds and ends, things people would do and whatnot, and I don't ever want to forget that, you know. This was her favorite verse though. Be still and know that I am God. And I found it twice in my stash, so I took this off, but I'm not prepared to put that down yet. Pretty sure I'm going to put this in the corner over here. And then I wanted to get one of these. I was thinking cute. Wasn't real sure about bringing in gold just yet. I'm not sure about that. I'll hang tight there. Pretty sure. This turquoise tag will work good up here. And then we can put Faith down to give it a little just kind of somewhere to be, I guess. Would be a good way to say what I'm looking for there. Dude, what? Oh, there they go. I only have a few left of these, so you know they're coming on here. Oh, you know what? I remember doing that around the border, but it'll be okay. I think I'm gonna have to put those into just my stash. We will tuck a little amen down there. And maybe tell you what, I have struggled with getting these dead blame stickers off of here. There we go. Oh, I like that. Okay. Now I am totally getting rid of the sticker sheet today. Today is the day, my friends. And I know of all my people I do layouts of, she would appreciate a good and glittery layout. She liked bunches of jewelry and all that costume jewelry and stuff. Loved her so much. I miss her bunches. Maybe I'm not gonna get rid of this. Going to start doubling up here. I want it to look horrible though. Oh, not sideways. Come on. I think I'm gonna make it look like it's going off to the side here a little bit. Then I think it might be a little too much if I add those. Me? A little too much? No way. I think I'm done with the words. I think I'm done. Doodly border. I can do a white one. Let's see what it looks like. That'd be a good thing if I could stay on this stinking paper. Perfect. Alright. What do you guys think? Quick and easy. Alright, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. And I think our next will be a album flip through. I think this is going to be the last one in that album. So, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!